In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write compelling Google Ads descriptions in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Ads or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step of the process to ensure you can create an impactful ad description that connects with your audience effectively. First things first, let's get started by accessing your Google Ads account. You'll want to make sure you're signed in and ready to make some magic happen. Now, once you're logged into your Google Ads account, head over to the overview page. This is the section where you'll find an overall summary of your campaigns and performance metrics. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it gives you a snapshot of how everything is currently running. Next up, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, you'll want to click on the Campaigns tab. This is a crucial part of the process as this area allows you to see all your active and paused campaigns, providing a comprehensive view of each campaign's settings and performance details. Once you're here, you can select which specific campaign you want to work on. Now onto one of the most important steps, clicking on the Ads section. This will bring up a list of all the ads you currently have in that specific campaign. It's always a good practice to periodically review these, ensuring that your content remains relevant and up to date with current offers and messaging. After you're in the ads section, you're going to click on the plus icon to either create a new ad or update an existing one. Clicking this will open up a series of options from which you can choose what kind of ad you want to focus on, such as text, image, or video ads. However, since we're focusing primarily on writing a great ad description, selecting the text ad will be our priority today. With that selection made, move forward and select your campaign. This step is all about making sure your new ad is in the correct campaign where you want audience attention to be directed. Following that, you'll also want to ensure that you are selecting the correct ad group. This is essential because the ad group contains a target keyword niche and shouldn't be overlooked. The final step combines creativity and strategic thinking, editing the ad to meet your specific needs. Scroll down to the ad's description box, and this is where you'll craft your message. Effective descriptions often include a strong call to action, emphasize unique selling points, and share the benefits of your product or service succinctly. Keep it compelling and aligned with the campaign's objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a Google ad description that not only meets Google's standards, but also attracts clicks and conversions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in achieving your advertising goals.